The Emerson Quiet Cool portable air conditioner has the latest technology available today. The models range from 8,000 to 14,000 BTU. The product is with casters that allow easy movement to any space that needs cooling. It is designed to be easily installed. Just set up window slider kit, install the easy-to-attach exhaust hose, and connect it to a window slider. Plug in and enjoy the cooling breeze. It is with waterproof digital control panel. No worry of splashed water. Use a dry cloth to wipe and remove. It has cool, dehumidify, and fan modes. Select the right temperature and airflow to suit your comfort. 24-hour timer let you create a cooling schedule. Set it to turn on or off automatically based on your needs. It also comes with remote control. You can adjust fan speed, temperature, and timer from across the room. The air louver affords a wider range to deliver comfort. With Eco Mode, the unit operates environmentally friendly and helps you save energy bills. With Sleeping Mode, the unit functions quietly, delivering you a perfect sleeping night. After 250 hours of operation, the unit will remind you to clean the filter. It is easy to access and clean the filter. Emerson Quiet Cool provides you with comfort, efficiency, and reliability.